Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pam, and if you're new here, I make beauty, fashion, and lifestyle videos that help you feel beautiful on the inside and out. So today we're going to be talking all things Amazon jewelry to be specific. I think it's really important to have a few key pieces in your wardrobe that can help you feel like you are just taking your outfit, your look, your hair, your makeup to the next level. So let's jump right into it. So the first piece of jewelry that I want to talk about is this necklace I'm wearing right here. This is a large letter necklace, and the best thing is this is a designer dupe for the Celine necklace that was super popular. It was seen on celebrities like Rosie Huntington-Whiteley and blogger Ami Song. This necklace retails for about $15, and it has a nice textured detail, a really nice thick gold chain element, and it hangs low enough to where it doesn't feel like a choker. So I love how this sits on my chest and the position that it sits in, and I just feel like with the top like this, it just adds a little bit of jazz right here without overtaking the entire outfit. This next necklace is a vintage coin necklace. You guys, this is my probably most complimented necklace that I own, and I almost didn't get it. And when I got it, I almost returned it. I just really wasn't crazy about it at first, but let me tell you about this necklace. It retails for about $22, and the coin pendant just sits really nicely on the neck. It is a nice bright yellow gold, and the coin doesn't spin, so I don't have to worry about it spinning around while I'm talking to anyone, walking around, and it doesn't become a distracting jewelry piece. It just sits really nicely on the chest, and it comes with a nice thin gold chain. The pendant can come off, and you can use this chain for other items, and it's available on Amazon Prime, which I think every single piece that I'm going to talk about today is available on Amazon Prime, so you can get it in 2 days. And this necklace, like I said, every time I wear it in a video, in person, anywhere I go, people always compliment the necklace. And when I saw it, I really didn't think it was anything that amazing, but it's served me well. It's really come in clutch for several outfits, and I've grown to love it so much more. And the last necklace that I want to talk about with you guys today is this tiny P pendant letter necklace. Love how tiny and discreet this is. It sits really nicely with other necklaces, so you can layer it up if you want, or if you just want something really dainty and minimalistic, go with this. Amazon offers this in silver, and it also offers every single letter in the alphabet, which is nice. And I just love that it's a little touch of gold without really drawing a lot of attention to yourself, and it works well with blouses like this, but then also you can just throw it on with a sweatshirt just to dress up your athleisure look a little bit. And something I wanted to point out about the initial necklace as well is that it has this beautiful little charm detail at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like a little jewel right here, which I think is just such a nice touch. Obviously no one sees that. It goes at the back of your neck, underneath your hair, and no one will ever even know it's there, but it's kind of just like a nice little detail to have on a necklace, especially for something as inexpensive as this. And that's my most commonly worn necklace as well. Moving on to earrings. This pearl encrusted hoop has done me so well. In terms of earrings, this is probably my most complimented pair of earrings in the hoop style that I own. Every single time I wear these hoops, people stop and ask where I got them from, and they are always so shocked to find out that they're from Amazon and that they're only $10. So this hoop is very lightweight. These are obviously not real pearls, and with the faux gold jewelry that I was buying online, I was nervous that it was going to irritate my ears and cause some type of reaction, infection, or like a crusting that can sometimes happen, which is so gross, but it happens. And I don't experience that with these earrings. Unfortunately, I lost one of them, and I only have one earring on right now, so there's not one here, but I'm ordering more. It'll be here Saturday, and I just wanted to use this opportunity to talk to you guys about this earring. So I feel like pearls are really feminine and really dainty, and they aren't everyone's cup of tea, but I think done in this hoop style where they're staggered, they're not too large, not too small, they're on a medium style hoop like this, you really can't go wrong. It pulls in nice creamy tones, but you can also wear it with just like a solid black outfit, your hair in a low bun, and these hoops, and you get a nice glamorous but feminine touch. Okay, next we have a stainless steel pair of hoops. Yes, they are stainless steel, and I didn't read the description properly when I ordered them, and then I got them in the mail and I felt them, and they felt so like industrial, but not heavy, not weighing down my earlobe in any way. They're still really lightweight, but they are definitely steel, and you can hear a little tapping. But they retail for about $14, and I love that they have that really nice straight edge to where it gives you like that nice flat look. gives it a little bit of character, and because of the width of the earring, it bounces off the light well, and it really draws a lot of attention to your face. These are definitely like a cooler, trendier pair that I've been seeing a lot more recently, and I love that they are substantial enough to really catch your eye, but they aren't too large to where I feel like they start to look like more of a party hoop. All right, next we have the rounded hoop. So I love that these are completely round all the way through. There's no flat shape, just like the one we just had on. These again are not overly heavy. They are $13. They come in rose gold as well, but I just love yellow gold, and they complement the face really nicely. To me, these are a little bit more classy, a little less like nighttime, a little less fashion. These are a little bit more classic, like you just want to throw on a simple hoop and get on with your day, and that's what these are. These to me are very 90s as well, which I know that 90s, all things 90s fashion, 90s jewelry is having a moment, and this comes in a smaller size as well, which I want to order. This is my newest pair that I've ordered, and this is probably the favorite out of all of the ones that I'm going to show you today. Okay, the next pair of earrings I want to talk to you about is this dangling cross hoop earring. These are very like rocker meets conservative, if you will. I love a good cross earring, but I wanted something that had a little bit of character, a little bit of flair, you know, something a little different. And I like that these are very simplistic and very minimalistic, but they are still quite the statement, and they are not heavy at all. These earrings are going to be the least expensive pair that I talk about. They're $8, and I love that they are dangling and they have a hoop and a cross, but they still don't touch my collarbones. And so sometimes when I wear earrings and they have a lot of ornate detail or things that dangle, it can kind of touch my collarbone and it can be a little distracting when I talk. But these, I don't feel do that. I'm wearing a collared shirt here, and I don't feel like it interferes with the design of the shirt in any way. And again, they're very lightweight, very much worth it. And the last piece of jewelry I'm going to talk about is this tungsten ring. It retails for about $23, and it looks like it is a solid gold ring. I wear a size 8 in rings. I've got some chubby little knuckles, but the reason I love it is because it actually can sustain quite a bit of wear and tear. It doesn't get damaged from my skincare, my hair products. Obviously, I don't submerge my hand into like nail polish remover or anything that would really compromise the material of the ring, but it is a really sustainable ring. And I got this to wear as my band rather than my engagement ring, because my engagement ring is very delicate and I am really rough with my hands, and I just couldn't be trusted to wear something that detailed and that dainty on my hand all the time. So I wanted to get something that I could just wear on a regular basis, and if it did get nicked, marked, or messed up in any way, I would not really mind. Pretty heavy in weight as well. So for being a $23 ring from Amazon, I was surprised at the weight of it. I've worn this around Indian aunties who are like yellow gold snobs, and they could not tell that this was not real. It comes in other colorways as well, like the silver, and I think it comes in like a darker chrome color. I'm probably using the wrong word to describe that color, but you know what I mean. But I just went with the classic yellow gold, and I love that it has a nice decent width to it. The designer actually makes a wider one, which I want to order as well, which will probably be in my next Amazon jewelry haul. But I love the way this feels. I just feel like I've got, you know, a pop of yellow gold, and it shows that I'm married, but it's not overly ornate. And because I have chubby knuckles, I think the width actually complements the the chubbiness of my hand. So I'm really happy with this one. All right, you guys, that concludes this jewelry Amazon haul, roundup, whatever it is that you want to call it. I am such a jewelry fiend. Again, like I mentioned before, I think it makes a really big difference in your outfit, and I think it would benefit you to just have a few good staple pieces in your collection. And I'll catch up with you guys next time. Bye.